Thank you all. Good afternoon. My name is Robert Burd. I'm the manager of New Jersey Department of Transportation's Office of Emergency Management, Security, and Response. I'm also the program manager for our Traffic Incident Management Program. I'm going to give you an overview of our program here in New Jersey, how we organize, who are the partners in the program, and the activities we pursue here in New Jersey. In front of you is our high-speed, low-drag TIM logo for New Jersey with the motto of safety, efficiency, and collaboration. I hope you'll be able to recognize how each part of our program focuses on that paradigm of safety, efficiency, and collaboration. So this is what we're all up against. The D drivers, all of us, not just in New Jersey. And yes, I had to throw in a picture of a New Jersey icon just to represent that is Paulie Walnuts from The Sopranos, for those who know the series. So how we function in New Jersey, we're focused on what we call our strategy. We have a guiding document, which is our Traffic Incident Management Strategic Plan. The original document was created in 2015. We've updated it in 2019, and we're currently in the process of updating it now. We'll be rolling out our draft update at our biannual partners meeting, which is tomorrow. The document identifies our program objectives, the methodology, our stakeholders, and our current initiatives. It also outlines our action plan as that relates to the National Unified Goal. Our partners. So we have a wide range of partners from the federal level to the municipal level and a few in between. Now I know this is an eye chart, so I'll just mention a few partners from the different categories. Our main federal agency partner obviously is FHWA, of course. Additionally, we have partnerships with federally designated metropolitan planning organizations, such as the Delaware River Planning Commission and the New Jersey Transportation Planning Authority. We have many state-level partners, such as the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection, the New Jersey Department of Community Affairs, Division of Fire Safety, the Department of Health, the New Jersey Turnpike Authority, South Jersey Transportation Authority, and our key partner, the New Jersey State Police. We have some multi-jurisdictional partnerships, like with the two port authorities in New Jersey, the Bay Authority, and some others. We also have a number of associations such as the Garden State Towing Association and an academic partner in the New Jersey Institute of Technology. So this is how we organize. Each working group is aligned to the action plan in the New Jersey strategy, which is aligned with the National Unified Goals strategies. The steering committee obviously guides the overall work of the program. The task force working group promotes the interdisciplinary coordination and the collaboration at the tactical level with the responders on the roadway. The training working group promotes the advancement of our training program. The CAT integration working group works to promote the advancement of our collaboration on computer-aided dispatch with the New Jersey State Police. The towing roadside services working group promotes the TIM program to our towing community and represents their concerns. The communications working group, which we will be retiring to what we're calling a new subject matter expert designation with the new strategy update. They completed a statewide interoperable communications plan, which allows responders from state to local to towers to have access to certain radio channels on the state network, which are focused on highway incidents. And lastly, our media outreach working group promotes the TIM program through an awareness campaign, social media outlets, and public service messaging. So these are the initiatives, or the major initiatives in our strategy. I'll touch on each one independently as we go through them. Our Move Over Law Awareness Campaign. So this campaign brings awareness to the New Jersey Statute 39492.2, which is signed into law in 2009. Our campaign was launched last June by our commissioner and the superintendent of the state police. The centerpiece is the slow down, move over sign you can see in the middle of the slide, designed by our steering committee. The team created bumper stickers with the goal of placing them on every responder vehicle. We've actually moved on to distributing them at different events so that we've moved on just beyond the responder vehicles only. Posters were created, as you can see, a number of which were placed in quick check convenience stores throughout the state. Also on the slide, you can see a campaign message on a screen at a New Jersey Turnpike Authority rest area. On the bottom right are some social media posts sent out by New Jersey DOT and the New Jersey Division of Highway Traffic Safety. And yes, those are keychains. We give them away at events and conferences. Now, I know what you're thinking. Those could make a hot pair of earrings for the next Toman's Ball, but unfortunately, we only offer them in MUTCD coral. So, of course, my partner in crime over here, Liz Falcon, upon hearing this, will run out and have a pair of gold plated so this way she can prove me wrong. Moving into our National Crash Responder Safety Week, this is kind of also collaborated with our Move Over Awareness campaign. So just like a number of other states have done, we were able to coordinate with the governor's office to issue a proclamation. As I said, this is another initiative we had coordinated with our awareness effort. Another initiative is the development of a traffic incident management safety guideline for emergency responders. This initially grew from one of our task forces, the Southern Area First Responders, or SAFER. It provides uniform operational guidance to promote safe operations by emergency responders. The document was formulated based on recognized practices and procedures and is endorsed by the New Jersey Office of the Attorney General. It also follows the Manual on Uniform Traffic Control Devices. These guidelines, they identify like vehicle positioning, common general safety, and on-site practices for all responders. Additionally, it promotes maximum protection and safety for all responders operating at limited access highway incidents. The guidelines also identify the need to provide mobility for the motoring public. So they emphasize to emergency responders that the objectives are to get onto the roadway, perform their duties, and get off the roadway safely, efficiently, and as quickly as possible. So as a number of other states, we have service patrols, and they're part of our TIM program. They are day-to-day unsung heroes who are likely to be first on the scene of an incident. They're an important part of providing safety on the roadway, and here you see our New Jersey DOT Safety Service Patrol on the left and our South New Jersey Transportation Authority Emergency Service Patrol on the right. So another initiative in our strategy is partnerships developed throughout the program. A component of that is our relationship with the statewide Traffic Incident Management Center. It's a 24-hour joint operations center that many states have. Ours is staffed by New Jersey DOT, the New Jersey Turnpike Authority, and the New Jersey State Police. Additionally, we have a central dispatch unit. This is an NJTIM unit that is the single point of contact for emergency calls. They're co-located with the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection and New Jersey State Police dispatchers. So another layer to our partnership is the incident management task forces. So we have 5 currently, one's in development, and the Atlantic County Task Force was developed by the county, and we're working to coordinate with them. The task forces get together some monthly to discuss standards of response, review case studies of incidents, and further the coordination among the state and local partners within the geographical area. You can see on the map here that we're pretty close to having every major region of the state covered. So this is a key initiative and a core component to our program, our incident management response team. This is made up of 2 partner agencies, specifically the New Jersey Department of Transportation and the New Jersey State Police. So the State Police have a dedicated unit to the Traffic Incident Management Program, and it's arranged through funding through an agreement that we have with FHWA. The Incident Management Unit, or IMU as they're called, provides roadway response coordination and helps to advance the program through outreach and participate in the steering committee. They actively participate in the training program as instructors for multidisciplinary experience. All are senior troopers with years of road experience. The other part is NJDOT employees. We have some who are full-time members of our OEMSR unit and the Safety Service Patrol, some who are area supervisors, and a few volunteers who are engineers. We're working our way to having all our new area supervisors, as they are promoted, included in the program as part of their regular duties. Just for reference, for your reference, an area supervisor for us is like somebody who oversees a maintenance operations section in a geographic area about the size of a county. This team is a key response element to the program. So another component of our partnership is the inclusion of TIM training and department training curriculum. So these agencies that you see here, and some of them are DOT with some sections, they have mandatory requirements for TIM training. The New Jersey State Police have it in their academy curriculum, as well as their in-service curriculum for those troopers that may have already graduated from the academy. So they're basically trying to catch everybody within the force. Additionally, any towers on the New Jersey DOT contract must complete the TIM training as part of the contract requirement. So this is our NJTIM.org website. Here you can learn about the TIM program and its benefits for responders. There's a page here for resources such as our important documents and links, a media gallery, and even a page for frequently asked questions. We have a number of videos promoting training and capacity building initiatives. This is where an agency can go to request a training class for their organization or can see where training is already scheduled. It allows our trainers to see where there might be a need for additional trainers, such as a vacancy in a class or an opportunity. If they happen to be in that space, they can assist, to continue to promote that multidisciplinary aspect. It also houses our diversion routes in an initiative to move them to an electronic platform from their previous paper platform. So our training component, we have a little over 22,000 people trained with just over 400 multidisciplinary instructors qualified. Some of the new training elements we're working on is self-guided online training, training specifically designed for media outlets who may respond to significant incidents, and specific training for dispatchers. And finally, our diversion route initiative. I know this is a little bit challenging to see, but this is probably the best one best snapshot we could come up with. We tried to manipulate to see if we could get a link, a live link, but that wasn't working very well. But you yourself can go to njtim.org, check it out yourself. We previously had our diversion routes organized, well, actually not previously, they're still organized by county in a sense, but they were in large binders that our crews and responders had to carry around in their vehicles. So shortly, all diversion routes will be updated and placed on the NJTIM.org website. They'll be interactive. This will allow us to lighten the load of our responders as they can access the plans via their mobile devices. It also allows local level responders who might not be part of the initiative to reference the plans as well. That's all I have for you today as a general overview of our program here in New Jersey. Thank you all for allowing us to come talk to you a little bit about our part of the world and how we pursue our TIM goals. My contact information and our statewide response coordinator, Liz Falcon, her information is here as well if you want to contact us for anything that we produce, to include a keychain or two for those who want a nice pair of earrings.